The laws of probability and chance indicate if an infinite number of monkeys are given typewriters and allowed to peck away for an infinite time, they will eventually produce all the world's great literature. But in the process, we find monkeys, like humans, also turn out quite a bit of absolute junk.
Hey guys, Jared the Jester here with Jawschlarsen, and we are playing Infinite Monkey Autocorrect. Basically, using the shift keys, we're going to test the theory that an infinite number of monkeys and an infinite number of typewriters could create the entire works of Shakespeare or something like that. I guess you can be the left key, I'm the right key, and we're gonna apparently write a story that will just blow the world away. So, alright, you go ahead and hit one. In negotiation, the oven loved. Easier. Retired until. The sister. Oh god.
Sticky keys!
Now we're back.
Okay, we're back.
There we go. Alright, suspected.
Finish holding both keys to submit I hit escape and it says there is no escape. Just if you push spacebar, then it finishes the word.
Oh.
Quiznos explored before Geico. Indeed, didn't they?
Frog eats baby froggy loves you.
That's nice. That's good.
The floppy frog.
Yeah, baby froggy, fluffy froggy, frog like look.
Kid Links times one review. Made sense.
There is no escape.
Let's submit it right there and see what happens. Ready?
Yeah.
2, 3. So ours says, negotiation, the oven loved. Age retired until the sister. Suspected. Rubbed among enterprise. And AOL locked.
Wherever there is no escape. Village gone. Big fro frog jacket in the box longed. That bibe, the bananas. A Jamba Juice Incorporated. Married. Quiznos explored before Geico. Fidial new. Frog eats baby froggy loves you. Could Links times one review laid since a clerginfo command took.
There is no escape. Salve. I like this game.
That was a brilliant proverb by Salve.
Yep.
This is a thinking game. So
Yeah.
not a lot of commentary here.
Yep, this is one of those things like time the right spot where you set the thing. It actually does hover over each individual letter. Yeah. We gotta make a noise.
I know, we broke
I'm not
it.
allowed to make it do that.
So you can lose points?
I guess.
A philosophy limited until Singapore tide. 6, although a song selected, wrapped. A steaming pile of fire and frog. Get MX versus ATV Supercross encore fulfilled gurgle. It's raining tadpoles learned at Walmart. Unless Evolution movie exceeded. Subpoena the frog, the signature appreciated.
Many Voss lightning phoenix shook near a farmer. Village Inn contained TMZ. GG knew 3 Kahoot. Office Max occurred, however. Ooh. That's beautiful.
Not even gonna look. I think maybe the buzzer went off when we pushed both of them at the same time. Nope. I'm just not even gonna look.
Let's just submit from there. Submit from there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. The communication ban for Anna. The communication ban Anna for the bananas predicted. Banana colonoscopy. The PPP Beach House knew. Exhausted the injury.
The Ford crawled against 1-1-1-1-V-1-1-C 1-1-D-L-D 1-1-D 1-1-1-D. Ow! Failed yet. In and out shook. Twilight brush. Confirmed. Vine that the property the bestest potato settled. Estimated. That made sense.
That made total sense. Banana colonoscopy. It tells a deep
proud of that
metaphor
one.
on the
I
human
enjoyed
condition. So that's
I'll transcript out
transcript what I'm saying.
Yes, I will.
So that is Infinite Monkey Autocorrect. It's on Game Jolts for free if you wish to ever try it. Essentially, you get to be a monkey on a typewriter. And I know at some point we've all probably felt that way. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button on the way out. Subscribe, comment, check any annotations I leave behind to see the other things that I have done or he has done. And we will see you next time.
Hang on.
Did you get all that?
I can't. No. I really should have to do it before this keyboard is just not efficient. Oh, YouTube. There we go.
We will see you next time. Jester.
Oh, you, sticky sticky boom boom, sticky sticky boom boom, we love you. Boom boom, sticky sticky boom boom, sticky sticky boom boom, loves you too. Fuck you, sticky sticky. Oh no! Oh, that's what I get for singing explosive show tunes. Oh, I was having fun. Come here, I want to show you some stuff. Come here, buddy. Just come here, buddy. Come here. Come. I want to show you the things. I want to show you the thing. It's a really cool thing. And I think you're gonna like the thing when I get to show you the thing.
Flat Squish qualified. Mr. Toad's wild because frogs are moist. Mr. Toad is wild because frogs are moist. It's raining tadpoles.
222 YouTube. Skug.